How to buy USDT with PayPal. Now, first things first is access or open up your preferred web browser. Now, I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this tutorial, and just let's head over to our search bar and type in Pax Full. Now, what you want to do is just simply click on the first result right here that says paxful.com. Now from here, all you have to do is to sign up or sign in if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, you'll have to register first, and then once you are successfully registered, you have to log in. Now once you logged in, go to Marketplace, and from this website, you can go ahead and buy or sell a specific coin. Now, right now, we are going to buy a USDT. Just hover your mouse to buy and then click on USDT. Now you will be redirected to the payment area or the order area right here. Now all you have to do is to enter an amount first. Now you'll have to change the currency on what you want. Since you were using a USDT, just simply go ahead and change it to a US dollar. Now enter an amount right here, say for example 100. Now if you wanted to use with PayPal, all you have to do is just simply click on all payment methods. Now, as what you can see, PayPal is actually available right here. Now, once you click on this PayPal button right there, you'll have to set up your PayPal account, link it to the Paxful, because you already registered an account with Paxful. Now, it's easier for you to buy USDT using your PayPal. So that's how you can buy a crypto coin or a USDT with PayPal.